Welcome to the Africa Report with me, Charmaine Hayden, bringing you this week's quickfire Africa updates. Nigeria's clash with Binance has escalated as charges of money laundering and evasion continue to shape crypto regulations. We'll keep an eye on that as it plays out. Morocco is buzzing as it plans to become North Africa's aviation hub. This could transform its economic skies. More flights, more growth, perhaps? Oh, if only it was that simple. I, for one, have both fingers crossed, though. Meanwhile, the World Bank has hit pause on funding Tanzania's tourism project. Why, you ask? Looks like governance concerns equal big implications. To wrap, let's discuss why Meta is sliding into Africa's DMs. Like, literally. New tech often hits Africa last, so why was Meta AI rolled out here so early? AI is the latest object of big tech's affection, and Meta is no exception. Last week, the Meta AI assistant was launched in Nigeria, South Africa, Ghana, Kenya, Uganda, Zambia, Zimbabwe, and Malawi. And it can answer questions on any topic, help with creating and brainstorming content, generate high-quality images, and edit them on the fly. Now, millions of African WhatsApp users have AI in their pockets. But what's in it for Meta, and why Africa? Well, if you want the answer to that, subscribe to Tech Safari, which is where I grabbed this last bit of content from, where you'll find the full story plus more. That's your speed date with Africa this week. Like and follow for more updates. Catch you next week, guys.